Now we are discussing about spices. In that, it is also a part of agriculture. Spices. A spice is a seed, fruit, root, bark, or other plant substance primarily used for flavoring or coloring food. Spices are distinguished from herbs, which are the leaves, flowers, or stems of plants used for flavoring as a garnish. What are the top spices? Black pepper, then garlic powder, then thyme, then cinnamon, then oregano and rosemary. And next is what are the Indian spices? Different types of spices, that is ilachi, hing, kali mirch, lal mirch, haldi, and tej pata, sabut dhania, ajwan, jeera, luwang, garam masala, kasuri methi, dalchini, saunf, kesar, kalonji, jaipal, amchur, adark, lehasan. And next point is what are the top 5 spices? Ground cumin, basil, cinnamon, bay leaves, smoked paprika, thyme, garlic powder and oregano. And next is what are the most used spices. Get the printable spices list down below to use as a guide. Basil, bay leaves, black pepper, chili powder, cloves, cinnamon, cumin powder and garlic powder. And next point is what is the list of Indian spices. The 10 essential Indian spices every kitchen should have on hand include cumin, coriander, cloves, cardamom, red chili powder, ginger, mustard seed, fenugreek, turmeric and saffron. And next point is what is the most famous spice. A guide to pepper, the world's most popular spice. It is the world's most important spice due to its near worldwide popularity and the effect meeting its demand had on global trade and exploration. Green peppercorns lack the rich complexity of older black peppercorns. And next point is what is the king of all spices. Black pepper considered as the king of spices and rightfully so, unlike it is perennial companion. Salt, which is easily available in any nook and corner of the world. The black pepper owes its origins to Kerala, a state in South India. And next point is what are the 2 most popular spices. What are the 2 most popular spices in the world? Pepper and mustard by Black Eats, Facebook. And next point is what are the spices list. Pepper, turmeric, cardamom and cumin are some examples of Indian spices. Turmeric powder, mustard seeds, chili powder, cumin seeds. Spices at a Goa market, Indian spices with labels. And next point is what are the basic spices. Bay leaves, black peppercorns, Siarni pepper, chili powder, cinnamon ground, cloves ground, cream of tartar and cumin ground. And next point is what is the most powerful spice. The best yellow-orange color of turmeric comes mainly from pigment known as curcuminoids. The most active and powerful curcuminoid is called curcumin. Curcumin is turmeric but better anti-inflammatory properties, supports brain function, increases antioxidant levels, heart health. These are the spices and useful. All these are useful to the health, but you should be in limited way we should use. Then it is very good for health and it will be useful to the life also of every human being. All these spices will be useful to give a common idea to all people about these. That is the information I want to provide. Wishing you all the best.